All right, quick video this morning. I feel like probably some of y'all out there in car land need to hear this. So, title of the video, stay motivated. Here's what I want to talk about. Turn the camera around right quick. One thing a day keeps the gloom away. Do something. Whether you're working, it don't matter what you're doing. Doesn't matter if you're to this level of a restoration. It don't matter if you're looking at stripping paint and all that. Do something. One thing a day. If you could only work an hour a day, just stay motivated. This car, for example, Monday, I backed it out after I worked on the Camaro. This is a customer car, because this is what I do for a living. Degreased everything, got all the grease off the engine, the frame, the firewall. Went ahead and scuffed the firewall. Yesterday, finished disassembly of the firewall and was actually able to shoot sealer on the firewall. Actually, I sprayed it a little thicker as a high build just to cover up a lot of the blemishes on the firewall, but was able to work on both of these at the same time. So old boy over there got a little bit of free labor out of him. That's okay. The wall wash out in the end. Then quickly mixed underhood black with a little clear mixed in to give it a little more sheen, and then shot the firewall. So that's Monday, Tuesday. I have made progress on this car, which is a pretty big step getting the firewall painted, because as I mentioned in some of my other videos, I'm working from the inside out on this car. Get this done, then everything else can go back. So now the engine can be painted, the radiator support then can be get back from media blast and set up and put all this stuff back together. So again, do one step a day. It doesn't matter if it's a 5-minute step, a 5-hour step, or just work on it an hour a day. If you could get an hour a day on average, that's 365 hours that you could put in on your personal car in a year. We probably waste more than an hour a day doing other stuff. That ought to be your goal. If it's just an average of an hour a day. Now, there might be days I come out here and I get tied up on this and I don't touch this. But you know what? On Friday, I'm on this. That's the way I do it, but you got to find a way you can do it. So, I feel like somebody needed to hear that. I feel like this Impala will be almost done, back together by the end of the year. Basically, I didn't get going good on this car. I think I started on it April. So April, May, somewhere in that range. I tore into it, found the rust in the floorboards, and it's just went from there. So basically it's turned into a restoration. I've done ordered new body mount bushings. They're sitting here waiting on me. But anyway, just one step a day. And you'll see a lot more videos coming on this car, but I used it as a guinea pig for my video today. Stay motivated. One step a day keeps the gloom away. Keep the projects coming along, everybody. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Also, as always, if you're looking to have your car restored, prefer pre-72. Monte Carlos are my specialty, but as you can see, I work on a little bit of everything. So, you can reach me. Email jared1970montecarlo@yahoo.com. I can put that in the video description. So anyway, as always, reach out first and I'll let you kind of know what my schedule is. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we will see you soon.